Hello, welcome back to my channel FBTV Entertainment. I hope all of you doing fantastic out there. Well, this is another car review and my channel will be uploading new videos every Friday. So subscribe to my channel for more future releases because there are tons of videos coming out on FBTV Entertainment very soon, and also different topics and subjects as well. So it would be fantastic to join FBTV Entertainment for that. And also I'm going to do a personal video myself to do to tell you guys what is my channel all about, because I know people on YouTube make different subjects, different categories and different projects on their channel, so keep a sharp lookout for that. That may be uploaded tomorrow on Saturday 15th, so keep a sharp lookout for that. So let's get to this model car, shall we? It's this one, 1952 Hudson Hornet convertible. This kit doesn't come with a convertible roof, but it doesn't matter because I love this car. It actually reminds me of Doc from Disney's car movie 2006, from Pixar, if I could get that correctly. So let's get to it, shall we? And here she is, one of the beauty car I ever built. Everything fits perfectly. The chassis underneath the body plastic fits wonderful, and I do believe convertible cars are the best model kits out there today. So the colour what I chose is greenish bluish colour. So this is a paint what I use. It's from my game workshop. So I don't normally use this paint. I always use this one without. It's high quality and you haven't got no problem with it. Not judging for game workshop paint, but I do believe this is my regular paint what I use for my other model kits. So this is one of my favourite cars in 1952 or 1950s I should say, but just look at it. Have that in your model car collection. It's absolutely incredible. Look at all that chrome out front, the bumper, the grille, the yellow indicators, the round headlights, the hood is absolutely amazing. So there's a little decal of a logo of a car right there, of a car make. And they are Blackwall tyres, one of my favourite tyres in the world. It comes with this kit. You don't have to put a decal on it and you don't have to paint it yourself. It comes like that in the packaging. But the wheel rim there, you don't have to paint it. You can leave it chrome like that, like a bumper, but I painted it nice and carefully to give that extra look of 1950s. So next up is the windshield. The windshield for plastic glass fits perfectly through this little bit here. The window wipers are actually made of chrome plastic, like a bumper. Actually looks smart on here, and also the wind mirrors on each side of the vehicle is absolutely perfect and looks absolutely smart. The spoiler, the wind spoiler, you can paint that the same colour, but I didn't. I painted black, just like interior, and I'm going to show you the interior right now. And also for detail on the dashboard, it's nice and silver. I'm going to get my torch so you can see much more detail of the silver. The speed dials next to the steering wheel. The steering wheel I didn't bother to paint, but the dashboard is nice and black on top, silver lining on the radio, the glove pocket there, and also for chairs is quite nice. I don't know, it's like the same as the body colour, for nice silver details on the back of the front seats, where you can grab on and get out of a car. And there's a convertible lid down. On this model car, it doesn't have convertible roof on it. Padding material done at the same as the seats, and the black boarding round right there where my finger is. It's absolutely amazing. So back of the car, you got a lovely chrome logo badge there, and also right there as well, twin horsepower engine, and you can see the yellow dots as indicators and red tail lights. The bumper is roughly the same as the front. You can see a silver exhaust were added into silver. You can see that down the side of the bodywork, you can see the silver line, and also the silver door handle what are painted. And this is just clear plastic. I didn't bother paint this because it looks good already. And there's the engine, twin horsepower, orange cylinders. I paint them orange because it looks stunning and it stands out. The pipework, I done it all silver. You can see all sorts of things in there, and also for silver horns there, and also for other side as well. So that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I certainly have. And it's a nice model kit to build, and it's easy and it's perfect, dead on. It's like a model toy type from manufacturers, I should say, but I may buy another one into bright yellow or bright orange and black, just like my Chevrolet 1958, and also I may do it in a nice bright green, because in 1940s and 50s all the cars in America always have bright colours, and that's what inspires me. So please subscribe to my channel for more future releases, and press that like button, and please write your comments down below to help me to make better videos and enjoyment for you guys to watch. Until next time, I want to remind you, tomorrow is going to be a video about my channel FBTV Entertainment, to let you guys know what is my channel is all about. So keep an ear out for that. So enjoy your weekend, and hopefully we shall see you soon back on FBTV Entertainment. So no further ado, it's bye bye from me, Dave Pippin, and bye bye from FBTV Entertainment.